Ever wonder why experienced Python developers never use try finally for file handling? The answer is the with statement, and it's one of Python's most elegant features. The with statement is Python's tool for context management and resource handling. It automatically manages resources like files, database connections, or locks. The key benefit? It guarantees cleanup happens even if your code raises an exception. No more forgetting to close files or release resources. It's a replacement for verbose try finally patterns that makes your code cleaner and safer. Here's a practical example with file handling. Instead of manually opening and closing a file, you use with open and the file handle. Python automatically closes the file when the block exits, whether your code succeeds or crashes with an exception. Compare that to the old way with explicit try finally blocks. The with statement does all that work for you in one line. Under the hood, the with statement uses the context manager protocol. When you enter a with block, Python calls the object's_enter method, which sets up the resource and returns it. Your code runs in the body of the with block. Then, no matter what happens, Python calls the exit method to clean up. The exit method receives exception information if an error occurred, so it can handle cleanup even during failures. This protocol is what makes with so reliable. Any object can implement enter and exit to work with the with statement. The with statement is Python's clean way to handle resources with guaranteed cleanup. Use it whenever you're working with files, connections, or anything that needs releasing. Your code will be safer and easier to read. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.